Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door lock assembly in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx 20 screwdriver, Torx 10 screwdriver, small flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door lock assembly. The door lock mechanism is mounted on the top of the cabinet, and the door latch with a sensor is mounted on the top of the door. The main reason for the door lock assembly to be replaced is if it breaks, keeping the door unlocked, preventing the dishwasher from starting. We're going to open the dishwasher door. So we're going to take out the two screws that holds the dishwasher to the counter. That's a Phillips, and I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. So close the door partially and slide the dishwasher going side to side from under the counter, and then we're going to pull it out, grabbing it by the cabinet. And that would be far enough, about 3 inches. To remove the upper trim strip, we just grab it and pull it up. Using pliers, I'm going to bend these tabs out carefully. Don't get too excited, don't break them off. And the opposite side. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to pry open that locking tab on the side. Okay, we're going to free that one, and there's another one. And the other one we can work out from that from the slot. This is the old door lock assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to install a new latch. We're going to place this part with the magnet under the that bending tab, and we're going to push this closed and push this one closed, and then we're going to go for the pliers, and then we're going to bend the tabs to secure the latch in place. And the opposite side. It's secured. And now we're going to install the top seal. Let's open the door all the way, and then I'm going to put this top strip over the edge. This little flags goes inside on both sides, and then press the strip down. And you're gonna close the door and push the dishwasher back under the counter slowly. All right, and now we're gonna attach that dishwasher to the counter. Put the screws back in. I'm gonna secure the dishwasher to the countertop. I use the Phillips screwdriver, and we can close the door. Our next step would be taking the 3 Torx 20 screws out at the bottom here, and that's going to free the door handle from the panel. I'm going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver. and remove that screws. All right, now I can open the door and take out the screws that holds the inner door to the outer door panel. We're going to take out the 4 screws on the top. This is a Torx 20 screwdriver. And remove it one by one. And now we're going to move to the side and take out this screws. These side screws are a little bit shorter than the screws from the top. And I'm going to close the door and I'm going to slide down the outer panel with the touchpad here. So I'm going to pull up and remove this touchpad with the control board and just let it hang down slowly. Make sure you don't break anything, any like harness. And we can remove this outer door panel. At this point we're going to open the door and then using a Torx 10 screwdriver, remove these 2 screws that hold the catch. And I'm going to drop down the catch and pull on that tab and disconnect the plug. We're going to attach this plug first. Make sure it's locked. And then open the door. If you can see that opening down there, it will go right over that metal tab. That slot goes in. Oh, I'm going to put the Torx 10 screws in there. And I'm going to tighten it with a Torx 10 screwdriver. All right. Now we're going to install the outer door panel. So we're going to pick up the control panel. Be aware of the wiring. So bring it up. And then on angle, like this, we have to go in. So this plastic goes into the door. And then these tabs on the top will go inside the cutouts in the outer door panel. All right. To install the outer door panel, we need to lift it off and put the inside strip on the top of the hinges. And then reach in and open the door. Support it on the sides and put your knee under. So I'm going to put 1 screw to hold the doors together and a Torx 20 screwdriver. Tighten it. And another one, I guess, would be better. We're going to put the bottom one too. So we have this side secured. Move to the opposite side. And the one more at the bottom. Please note that these 3 screws on each side are the short screws. The top one here and the 4 on the top are longer screws. That's the last short screw on this side. And we're going to install the longer ones. And the last short screw goes on this side. And I can put the first long screw And next, 4 top screws. Do not over tighten them, they are going into the plastic. So we're going to close the door. So we're going to install the 3 sharp-ended screws from the bottom. We're going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver. And there's one there, right in there. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.